Hello everyone, I am Zara and you are watching Zara Crochet Artwork. Today I will show you how to crochet a crocodile stitch. For this stitch we need yarn and a crochet hook, a yarn needle, and for this stitch we need 6 multiple of stitches, chains and 4 plus 4. So first of all we will make a slip knot, then start chaining. When we complete our chains of 6 multiple plus 4, now we will skip 5 chains, and into the 6th chain we will make a double crochet, a chain and a double crochet into the same stitch. This will be our first V stitch. Now we will skip 2 chains, and into the 3rd chain we will make another V. Make a double crochet, a chain and another double crochet into the same stitch. This will be our V stitch. We will do this across, and in the end of the row we will make a double crochet. Now this is our first row. Now we will make a chain and turn our work. Into the first stitch we will make a slip stitch, then into the first V on the right side of the V front post we will do 5 double crochets. 1 2 3 4, and then we will make a chain. Then we will do the same on the left side of the V. Make 4 double crochets on the front post of the V left side. 1 2 3 and 4. Then we will, this is our first crocodile stitch. Then in the other V stitch we will make a slip stitch here, like this, and we will do this, repeat this until end of the row. Into the very last stitch we will do slip stitch, and now we will make 3 chains and turn our work. As you can see, we can see the V stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 V's. Now we will make V stitch in each V. All across the row. V stitch in each V. At the last of the row we will make a double crochet. Then this row complete, we will make a chain and turn our work. This time we will slip stitch into the first, and in the V stitch and we will make crocodile stitch into the second. So we will slip stitch into the first, slip stitch into the V stitch, and into the third stitch, third V, we will make our crocodile stitch. On the front of the V right side, we will make 4 double crochets and then chain. Now 4 double crochets front post on the left side of the V. Now you can see how it is looking. Now we will slip stitch into the next V and we will repeat this until the end of the row. In the end of the row we will make a slip stitch into the last stitch. Now we will make 3 chains and turn our work, and into each V we will make a V across. In the end of the row we will make a double crochet. Very last stitch we will make a double crochet, then make a chain, make a chain and now make a chain and turn the work. Into the first stitch we will do a slip stitch, and in the V stitch we will make our first crocodile stitch, 4 double crochet on the right side of the V front post. Then make a chain and do 4 double crochets on the left side of the V front post. We will repeat this pattern until we reached our desired length. If you learn something from my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more videos. Goodbye.